Good evening, Erika. It was a pleasure listening to your presentation on freedom of religion in Europe. I'm going to ask you essentially just two quick questions about freedom of religion. And perhaps the first question I'd like to ask you is a basic question about, we have the ECHR and we have the EU Charter. Could you perhaps clarify the relationship between these two legal texts? Not an easy question.
It's not an easy question. It's probably not a question that I can answer very quickly. But the ECHR is a convention that has been in force since 1950 and covers the Council of Europe states, which covers 47 member states. The European Charter of Fundamental Rights is for the European Union, so it covers the states of the European Union only. There are a lot of rights that are in both instruments, and the EU Charter has actually said that the rights should be interpreted in the same way if there are the same rights, and they should look at each other's case law. So maybe that's a little...
So both documents actually protect freedom of religion?
Both documents protect freedom of religion, yeah.
Would it be fair to say that there are differences between the case law of the so-called Strasbourg Court and the case law of the Luxembourg Court regarding freedom of religion?
There is no case law from the Strasbourg Court on freedom of religion. The Strasbourg Court, the European Court of Human Rights, has got quite a lot of case law, and hopefully there is a slight development happening there. If cases will come to the European Court of Justice, the Court of the European Union, there might be different developments in this way, because they also have a stronger protection of against religious discrimination, I should say.
And perhaps just one final question regarding a case you mentioned, or a pending case you mentioned in your presentation, the SAS case versus France. Now, without asking you to describe again the facts of the case, would you risk prognostic regarding the outcome of the case? Violation or no violation of Article 9? Would there be a majority in favor of a breach or no breach of Article 9?
If they follow their own case law, they should find a violation. If they will do so, remains a question. I don't think I can predict that, because we don't know where they will go.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.